to shed. Tonight I'm going to sort that out. So when I pulled the head off, I found a couple of busted power valves. That's one of them, and the other one has broke across the thread. So my plan, because I don't want to buy them because I'm tight, I'm going to repair them. And I've tried welding this stuff before, and I think it's die cast aluminium. It's got loads of zinc and shit in it, so it doesn't weld very well. So my plan, set me collet up in my lathe, so hopefully will keep things nice and true. We will machine these off. I'm going to drill and ream a hole into this and then replace that shaft with a bit of aluminium. So the first thing to do, have your tongue out when you do this. Sorry, because I can't find a big axle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill it and then I'm going to ream it. So when you ream it, it makes the hole nice size. It'll be reamed to where the side reamer I can find. So the other thing is I need to figure out how deep I can go. It's not that deep. It's not the end of the world if I break into that, because all I do is once it's pressed in, I'll just file that to size. That might actually do a better job. One of them prepped. So now what we have is our little power valve. So now I've got a 10mm hole in there, and because I reamed it, I know it's exactly 10mm diameter. So that's the first one. We'll do another one like that. Because I've reamed that 10mm, I've got to make this a push fit. So just got to make sure 0's out. Could do this with a vernier, but it's not accurate really. So that is 14.17. Toss the gain out. Too many beeps. So all I want to do is just create a little shoulder. It's pretty much full depth. So I'll get it near it. I'm about 0.2 on at the moment. Right, so for that to be an interference fit, or push fit, or press fit, I need to make this a little bit over 8mm. And when I say a little bit, I mean literally 2/100ths. So to keep it all in line, I'm going to use the tailstock of the drill. What we've created is a monster! No. So what I've done is now that power valve is firmly attached to this piece of aluminium. You can't use Loctite or anything like that on it because of the heat. It's about 200 and something, 300 degrees. Loctite actually melts. So if you want to free something off, just get it hot and it'll soften the Loctite to undo it. So you have to rely on a press fit. So now I just need to file that to the same profile as the valve. And what that's given me now is the ability to turn this diameter now and reform the shaft I cut off. So that's what we'll be doing next. Ta-da! So I think they're a bit long for power valves. I'll just grab one that I'm trying to copy. This is an unbroken one. So that's what we've got to make. So yeah, I could have bought some second-hand ones of these, but I just thought, where's the fun in that? So yeah, I've turned this bar down, reamed that out, pressed that in. That's about 2/100ths oversized, so it's a nice snug fit in there. And now I've just got to turn this detail. There's a seal that sits on there, so it's quite important. And then we'll put the flat on there, thread in there, and I may even put that little slot in there. It's not necessary, but I might do it anyway. So, the best way to hold that, I think, I'm going to hold it that way around for now. I've got my collets in tonight. They just help with hold stuff nice and concentric. So if I take it out and put it back in, it should be pretty much the same. When you look down there, it's facing that way, so it means the tool's a bit high. You want this to be upright. So the tool is on centre height. I'm just going to rough it out with that bit. Put my glasses on. So the first diameter I want is 16mm. So this bit that has a seal running on that, so that has to be the right diameter, and that should be, I reckon, about 8mm. Let's measure a bit under, but I think I'm going to make it 8mm. And the bit the seal runs on, because my left-handed tool is I'm going to be able to come to there. I think it's just out of the way, so that's fine. Yeah, this is standard bar stock aluminium. Don't know what grade it is. Some people call it billet. I don't think it is a billet. I think it's extruded. But when they extrude it, what it does is it pushes all the grain together, so it makes it a bit denser. Whereas this, it's got a very open grain, and that's what makes them brittle and like dog shit. So this will be far more forgiving and a lot stronger than the original stem. So we've got a little bit more machining to do on this end. Never got enough bar left on it. Just a little lip on the other end, which, because I'm coming into the back of the collet, it'll throw it out a line. So I'm just taking the lip off it. The overall length, that's as close as I can get, so that still needs to come out a bit further. I could spin it around, and I'm not going to bother. I'm only going to be machining this little bit here anyway. So we'll do a quick measurement of that diameter, because that looks a bit under the 8mm, which is 7.75. That's a weird size. Double check that with a mic. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. So that's obviously a little bit of clearance for the little actuator arm that slides over it. Which seems a bit of a weird size, but there we go. That's what it is. So that's why we use collets. I've taken it in and out and it still runs pretty true. So obviously I've still got that bit to file out. And we'll do this bit on the end now. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to align that slot that's inside that valve. Just make sure it's square. So the critical thing is that I put this flat on here and the thread and the hole through there in relation to where the hole is in this. So if you put the thread in the wrong place, then it will put the valve out of time. So I've just found a bit of square stock that sits in that slot nice. Put my square up against it and just eyeball it up, and that looks good. We're not going to be taking really heavy cut, it's literally just going to take a little bit off. Just need to move this a bit closer. The centre line of that spindle is exactly on the edge of that diameter. So all you need to do now is move it this way, up there. I know what diameter that ball is on the end. So now the centre line of the spindle is on the edge of this here. Now I know that diameter is 8mm. So now if I move that over to 4 on my readout and 0 it, then I know that is exactly in the centre line of that. Measurement from there, so I need to just take a measurement from something I can measure. 57 millimetres. To make that a little bit longer. Centre drill. sliding in M4 thread in the end of that. So the drill is 3.3, because with metric threads it's the pitch minus the thread diameter. So this is a 4mm metric M4, so that would be 4mm minus the 0.7mm, which is the pitch. Gives you 3.3. The only thing I know we need to do is just take that diameter down a little bit further. So what I can do is put the centre in it and just give it a little bit of support. So there we go. One repaired power valve. So all I've got to do is tidy the top up. Just put a chamfer on it. Check it fits the little lever. There we go. Thanks for watching.